Hiya, welcome back to the channel. So this one, we are going to reset the service interval on a Renault Scenic shitter, Scenic 3. And for this, you should really just need one button, which is that one. Which is good because you don't want to touch any more than you have to in a Renault because you get Renault on your hands. So the first thing to do is to put that stupid thing in that stupid slot so that the ignition comes on like so. And then we press this button to cycle through until we get to yeah. Yes, we know service is required. That's what we're trying to do. Until we get to service required, or when the service is telling you it's going to be required. And then we hold the same button down for a while until it blinks. Ah, fucked it up. Try again. Hold it down. And I'm just going to keep on holding it. Yes. And that now should be reset. That's not reset because we've got a fault somewhere else, but the service light should be reset. And that's all there is to it. You probably should at least change the oil first before resetting the service light, but that just sounds like a waste of oil to me on this. Anyway, don't forget to check out my other videos, all the usual shit, like, subscribe, comment, blah blah, and see you next time.